Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. Kaiser Chiefs versus Kruger. We are back. The Betway Premiership is back. Club football is back. Very excited about that. Not really excited about Kaiser Chiefs, because it can be really, really stressful, So, but yeah, we have a new coach, new signings. So there's always that feeling, heading to a new season when you have a new coach. Obviously, you're making signings, there's this feeling to say, yeah, maybe the coach, maybe this is the guy, the players, maybe these are the right players to help us win something. But in the recent 5 or so years, it's been the same thing. We go to the new season with a new coach, confident. Mid-season, get sacked. Next season is the same thing. So hopefully things will be different this time around. We are playing against Kruger, who are a newly promoted team, so it's a tricky game. It's a tricky game because you don't really know what to expect from them. You don't really know how they are going to play, how they are going to set up, and they are a newly promoted team. Um, they are excited, they are confident. They have nothing to lose. So yeah, they are going to play with their hearts out. So yeah, it's going to be a tricky game. It's going to be a tricky game. But if we are going to do something this season, if we are going to be a serious team, we should be winning this game. We should be winning this game. I think playing against a newly promoted team in your first league game, when they're still trying to get themselves used to the league and all that, I think you should take advantage of that, and I think you should make a statement. So as much as it's going to be a tricky game, um fam, I expect a win here. We have to make a statement. There has to be a separation between a newly promoted team and the biggest team in South Africa. So yeah, man, a win is a bare minimum. Is a bare minimum. I ain't checking nothing besides a win here. So yeah, go out there and make a statement to everyone to say, yo, this season we are not here to play games. So yeah, this is the predicted starting 11. I've gone with in goal Brendan Peterson, of course. Right back Chabiso Mnyane over Dylan Solomons. I think he's still the number one right back. Left back, we have a crisis there with Paseka Mako out, Kaniso Shinga out. It leaves us with Riff Rosler. Yes, Bradley Cross can play there, but I think he's going to start as the left center back. I don't know if Loisan is fully fit or what, but yeah, I think Bradley Cross is going to slot in there as the left center back. He played there against Scotland. He got injured, but yeah, he's back in training. So yeah, he's going to start alongside Inacio Miguel. Of course, then in the middle of the park, Lewang Mabue alongside Tasingwa. I think Tasingwa starts ahead of Spesihle Ndlovu. I think this is a coach's signing, and yeah, I think he's going to be a starter for the first until he, takes himself out of the team by playing shit literally. So yeah, for now on, I think he's going to be a starter, and his performance on Sunday against Scotland was good enough, to earn him a place in this game. So yeah, but yeah, the combination between him and Lewang Mabue has to be better. I wasn't really happy with what I saw on Sunday, but yeah, it was only their first game. So yeah, and then as the 10 in front of them, Ethan Chislet, I think, had a great game against Scotland, and with Tutuzi Shabalala out, he's the only available number 10. So he starts there on the right. Fundo Vilagazi, of course, who scored the winning goal against Scotland. He's our only natural right winger, a left-footed winger. He's our only one, and yeah, man, he made a case for himself to start for this one on Sunday. I don't think it was a great performance, but yeah, it was an okay performance plus the winning goal. So yeah, on the left, I think Wandile Duba is going to start there. I don't think Asanele Velebai made a case for him to start on this one. So I think Wandile Duba starts there. Pule Modi, He didn't play on Sunday, so I have a feeling that the coach is not fully confident on him. Wandile Duba came in second half and he played wide, so I think Wandile Duba is going to start ahead of Pule Modi and Asanele Velebai up front. Flavio Silva, maybe Ikotaro. I don't think so. I don't think Ikotaro is going to start. I still think we are going to go with our last season's top goal scorer in the league. So yeah, this is the team. I think is going to get picked. Nothing confirmed, so don't come for me when a different team is announced. So yeah, man, match prediction. I'm going with a 2-0 Kaizer Chiefs win. I'm going with a 2-0 Kaizer Chiefs win. I'm not really confident on this lineup. I don't think it's a great lineup, but it's good enough to beat a newly promoted Kruger team. So yeah, go out there, get a win, get a statement. I want a dominant performance with 2 goals minimum. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.